How to list multiple video games on eBay. Now in order to list multiple video games on eBay, simply open ebay.com and tap to these three vertical lines from top right corner. After going in there, tap to sell button. Now after going in the sell section, tap to list an item. Now in this page, you just simply need to search for video game, and after searching video game, this video game collection option will appear. Tap into that and search for it. After tapping in there, a lot of matching video games collection might appear. Just simply select the one if you have matching video games collection which you would like to sell. Otherwise, you just simply need to tap to continue without match and select the condition of your game collection. Select brand new for now and tap to continue to listing. And now after coming into this page, you need to fill out all of the information of the multiple video games that you have. For example, all of the photos, in order to let the buyers know how your video games conditions are. And you have to fill out the titles and names of the video games in this page and list out all of them very clearly so that your buyers can easily have knowledge about your products and their credibility. And after that, you need to fill out the pricings and shipping conditions in this page. And after filling out all of the information, go at the all the way to bottom and tap to list it. Then after doing this much, your list of multiple video games will be listed on eBay. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.